Hi guys, this is a Chavo Euro cylinder. It's 5 pins, quite a well-worn lock. Interesting keyway on it, similar to a Yale, but it's a mirror image of that, so my normal tensioning method won't work. It will just kind of slip around that curve there. So I'm going to use open the side tension using a Z wrench. Start the back. Get one clip from pin 5. Pin 4. Clip from pin 2. There we go, open on pin 1. Yeah, quite a delicate pick that. It's taken me a while to get the hang of it. It's been sat in my naughty bucket for a few weeks, that, but definitely pleased to get that open. It's all standard pins in there, but I guess quite tight tolerances, which makes it quite a challenging pick.